Hey everybody, one more thing before we get kicked off this week. This week is Good Friday off, so we got a 4-day week. So I'm going to try something a little bit different this week. It's going to be interesting to see what you guys think about it. This is the normal info for you this week. We've got our module objectives and so forth, a little video here for you. Another little thing here for you to look at that I think you'll enjoy. Some of you guys might see yourselves in it. Then you go out here. This week I took the e-lecture that's normally a ed puzzle, and I took the YouTube version of it and I put it here for you in case you want to refer back to it. And without having to go through the ed puzzle, you can quickly find something you were looking for. Also, the usual PowerPoint and the trade terms. There's a lot of your testing terms right here. You can refer back to them while you're taking a test if you want to, or while you're doing homework in Schoology. Then when we get in here into practice, we got the normal e-lecture. This is the Ed Puzzle version. The YouTube version is in the other folder. And then I put a Quizlet in here. And I've got my score shows as a top score. If you can beat my score, take a screenshot of it, send it to me in Schoology, and I'll give you 10 bonus points in Skyward. That's a fat one. So whoever can beat my score, send me a screenshot. Be careful. And as soon as it shows the score, do a screenshot right then because it doesn't save it the way it's set up for whatever reason. Then you get in here on a Tuesday. There's a little small ed puzzle here, but it's not worth a grade, but you do have to watch it to get the green check, and you do have to watch it before this one will allow you to get into it, I believe. Let me make sure of that. That's the way it's supposed to work. Yeah, that's the way it's set up. Then on this one, it's a fairly lengthy test, and it's set up very easily. 59 questions, as you can see, and I've got it set up so that there's no time limit. You can take it as many times as you want, and it shows you the correct answers at the end. But here's the rub. We're going to have the same thing on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and this is also your assessment for 100 points on the assess folder. Each day it gets a little harder. Today it's untimed. Tomorrow there's going to be Tuesday it's untimed. Wednesday, Thursday there's time limits on it, and it gets a little bit more important that you know the material as you progress through it. So that should be interesting to see how you guys do. Each one of those days, 25 points, 25 points, 25 points, 25 points, Monday through Thursday. Fridays, no school closed, so nothing in Friday folder. Your study sets are going to be worth 25 points. And here's the big one. In the assess folder, it's essentially the same thing, but in this one, it's set up so that it is timed. You only have 15 minutes to take it. And you can only take it twice. Keeps your highest score, and you can view your submission. In other words, you can see which one you got wrong, but it will not show you the correct answer. So, and it's worth 100 points. So there's matching, fill in the blank, and multiple choice. Should be interesting. I think it's going to be fun, and that's all we got. Good luck this week, you guys.